YouTube channel The Digital Pro. We are starting new series for you all. It's Google My Business question answer series where I will be answering to all your queries and will try to solve your doubts. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe my channel. If you have any query, you can comment below and I will try to make the video on your question and help you in solving your query. So, our first question is, what are different types of business in respect to Google My Business? So, we have three type of businesses, that is storefront, hybrid, service area businesses. These are the three most common type of businesses, and we create profile in Google My Business on the basis of these three structures. So the first is storefront business. From its name only, we can guess that those business that have storefront, businesses that serve customers at their place, at their physical business address only. They don't have any so they don't provide any delivery, so they serve customers at their place only. Business address is visible to customers so that customers can visit their stores and make purchase or get service. These may be grocery stores, dental clinics, and many more. So, second is hybrid business. Hybrid, simple. Businesses that serve customers at their business address and customers' place also. So we can know that they provide services both place. In this, business address is also visible to customers. So those who want to get the service or product themselves, they can visit and get that. And they have 20 service areas option, so they can mention like where all they can provide service beside their physical address. So these can be the restaurants they're providing dining service, as well as free delivery or whatever the things they can provide. Third is service area businesses. These are the most common type of businesses. So these businesses don't have any physical address. They provide services at their customers' place only. They don't have any physical building address. So for this, they don't have any business stress and it is not visible to the customers. For verification, they provide the different, some provide their home address or some other, but verification is done, but their address is hidden from the customers. They have 20 service areas option, which it shows to the customers that these companies business or whatever the serviceman, they're providing in these specific areas, so they can mention 20 service areas, but it should not be more than 2 hours driving distance from their address. So these can be the plumbers, electricians, pest control companies, cleaning companies. Hope you get the three different types of businesses. It's all simple. So if you like my video and content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have any issues? Do comment and tell. I will try to make one new video on this. Thanks. We'll meet you in the next video with other question. Bye.